Good morning everyone and welcome back to Sam Shutt Farming, every other day life on the hill farm. And today, well this morning, I am checking the malls, resetting them, one thing and another. We haven't been around for a while, so I'm gonna sort them out. There's some to move and it's that cold. I don't think I can film. It's that freezing, my hands will drop off. So I'll do that and then I think with a yow to doctor. She's a bit of twin lamb, so yeah, we'll do that. Just done mama moles. I have to go and pick a car up now, but I just wanted to show you what twin lamb disease looks like in a yow. So here she is. She doesn't move when I go near her. She's just sat there, not looking very happy. Yeah. So, what is twin lamb disease? Twin lamb disease is an energy deficiency in sheep that are carrying more than 2 lambs. Come here, Nance. Don't scare them. So yesterday we had a case of it, which we thought was a case of it. So twin lamb disease, it's the run up to lambing time. So it's between 4 to 6, can be up to 6 to 4 weeks before lambing, from the last gestation, if I've said that right. Can't even say that right. It's the last few weeks till they're due, they can get twin lamb disease. So all the energy and the nutrients are all going to them 2 lambs, and it's not leaving enough energy for the sheep itself, so they go down. And worst case scenarios, if not spotted soon enough, they can go off the feet, they can go blind, they can go into a coma, and then they can die. So if spotted soon enough, you can give them energy in a bottle. It's basically glycerine, sugar, glycol, all that type of energy that they need, that you can give them down the necks, or you can inject it. I think there's something you can inject with, but we use the drench that goes down the throat. Or it could be calcium deficiency. They could be lacking calcium. Signs of calcium deficiency is when they go down, you go up to them, they're not moving, they're frothing at the mouth and snotty. It could be that. So we weren't sure. We gave it twin lamb stuff and jabbed it yesterday morning, as you'll see in the video. Then we decided to give it a bit of calcium because it wasn't getting up. So we put some calcium under the skin in 4 different areas so it'll get around the body faster. And today, she's up. She's up and she's well. I'll just show you her. She has a red dot on her forehead. Yeah, we sorted her. Oh yeah. With the red dot on. She's up, she's eating, she's chewing her cud. And she's back to normal.
Not mummy.
Yeah?
Me?
So yeah, really chuffed. Yeah, pleased. We've tackled one. Don't know if it was twin lamb, it could have been the calcium, but we gave her both and she's right. But that is what twin lamb disease is. Oh God. Just bedding my calves. I'll just show you my calves that I'm very proud of rearing myself. These are my weaned calves. And that's my favourite. There. And then these ones, these are still on milk. We like to buy a few to keep, join the herd and be bold. yeah, I think they're doing well. Yeah. And then come May, hopefully nice weather in May, we'll get them out to grass. And that's where they'll push on. Usually take them to my grandma's. I have 2 fields separate that grandma's let me have throughout the whole of time. So we take some heifers there and summer them there. And they seem to do really well. So yeah, proud of them. I love calves. I love calves. I'm from a dairy farm, so I miss my calves. I miss everything to do with dairy, to be honest. And if we had a chance to go on a dairy farm, I would absolutely snap it off. I just love everything about dairy. I miss milking. I miss rearing the calves. I miss selling them at the auction. I miss everything about it. So hopefully one day we'll be on a dairy farm. Oliver's always been a hill boy. He's a hillbilly through and through. He's worked in this area since he was at school. So he's a hill man through and through, but I'm sure he'd learn the ropes. Yeah, that's my calves. Fill this barret, take it to my calves, and then it's easier, just a lot easier than bagging it. This will probably last me 2 or 3 days, if not more. So this little contraption we're borrowing, beet feeder, crusher, whatever you call it, Oliver's been filling it and taking it up to them singles and dishing them some out. Are you feeding lambs, Nance? Or is Lily doing it today?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
Right, who wants milk? I need somebody in here.
Yeah, tip your bottle up.
Come on.
Yeah, chuck them in the bucket.
This looks like a carrot.
Yeah. Fill the buckets, guys. Come on, good lads. Fill them up. Yeah, good boy. That's it. Fill them up. And then we can give it to the sheep. Teamwork next to dream work. We'll ask him. Guess what, guys? Look, when you finish them, there's these to do. Yeah? Are you finished?
Perfect.
We've got to give it to the sheep now.
Yeah.
That's it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Keep it on. Just feeding the sheep. Sheepies. Thank you for filling these. What are these for? For the beet. And who do we feed it to?
A sheep.
Sheep. Yay! Thumbs up. Good lass. Good lass. Kids filled the buckets for us. They're just fetching them now to dish out to the sheep that we sort of ration them with now. I don't know why I'm putting the lights on. It's not that dark yet. Dropped it. Pick it up. Another block. Strap up. No, Nancy, let it go. Nancy, I've got one for you here. Yours is here. I'll get it.
I get it.
Yay! Good lad. I forgot to say, the lady that is with me now is my other sister. So I have 3 sisters. One of them you've met on a previous video, Joanna. Now this is Kim that's with me. She doesn't want to be on camera, but I've got her on camera. This is the Kimberly Elizabeth jewellery, Kim. Yeah, she's my mum takes my kids, my oldest 2, swimming every Saturday morning. And if she didn't, they wouldn't know how to swim. So, well done, Mum, thank you for that. But Kim's brought them home, so I don't have to trail out. So this is why she's here, and she just loves to come. Bonnie tractor in it, eh? So he's just gone to take that beat to them singles. Just come back, he's taking it off, I don't know why. Oh wow, what is that? What is that? Yeah, I'll tell you what it is. I'll show you. Dipstick. He must have filled it a bit too full and the dipstick popped out and it started leaking. Nothing major, nothing major. Touch wood. Do you want some help filling them bags? No. Okay. I'll go light the fire and get toasty. Just filling them bags to feed the sheep. So yeah, I think I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. If you could like it, share it, do what you can. Grows my little channel, and yeah, subscribe, that would be handy. Apparently I need to ask you more to subscribe, that would be great. If you like watching everyday life, every other day life on a hill farm, first generation farmers, the struggles, the good bits, the bad bits and the ugly, this is the channel for you. Just a little family farm, young family. 4 kids, 1 on the way, and a lot of hard work. So, catch you for the next one. Bye!